Croeso o'i Ffram24, Fframwaith Cymru gyfan. I'm Martin Berger, Deunyddiau Fframwaith. Dydd Gwyl Dewi hapus. Hi and welcome to Ffram24, or Wales Framework. I'm Martin Berger, Head of Frameworks, and a happy St. David's Day. We are very excited to say that we are going live on St. David's Day. We are a building materials framework with a multi-supply chain to support all of public sector and local charities. We are the only building materials framework which is endorsed by Welsh Government and their commercial delivery team, and we're really looking forward to working with all of you. This is quite an exciting journey for us as a new established framework within Wales. This is a framework which is run by a Welsh organisation based in Wales and supporting Welsh communities. We are really passionate about how we drive this moving forward by working in partnership, collaboration, with trust and effectiveness by driving innovation to support all the works in where we are moving towards. So please keep an eye out on our LinkedIn page, where we will also be introducing our supply chain to you over the next couple of weeks, where they will personally introduce themselves and how they're going to be supporting your supply chains moving forward. Thank you very much. Diolch.